Okay, this is Lila Wiggins telling me about her story with the dinosaurs. Lila, what did you see with the dinosaurs when you went to the museum?
They were scary.
And what else?
They were scary.
They were scary dinosaurs, and what else?
They were making noise.
They were making noise? What kind of noise?
The grandpa one. The grandpa dinosaurs.
There was a grandpa dinosaur?
Yeah, a ton of wolf.
Oh my goodness. And then what?
It was one of wolf. It was one of wolf.
Move?
Yeah. I was opening my mouth.
Was it trying to eat you?
I was opening. Ow!
Oh my gosh, and you went, ow?
He went out his knee.
And who did you run to when this dinosaur came after you?
I went to my mommy.
You did? And did she save you? She didn't?
My dad was holding me.
Oh, your daddy was holding you.
He was
Oh.
showing me all the stuff.
Mama was?
Yeah, all the stuff.
Oh. And then what happened?
I see the fishes.
You saw fishes too?
Yeah, I see Nemo.
Nemo? What was Nemo doing at the Museum of Dinosaurs?
They were blinded dinosaurs.
Okay, I think you're fibbing. Are you putting two stories together, maybe?
The other one and the other one.
And what about the other one?
The other one's black. And the other one's other Nemo.
What was the name of the dinosaur that tried to eat you?
I'm thinking about it. The dinosaur, the big dinosaur.
Yeah, what was his name?
His name's T-Rex.
T-Rex. That's very good. Okay, so is the interview over?
Yeah.
All right, say signing off.
Bye-bye.
Turn over here and say bye-bye with your said sign language. Stop it. Turn this way. Hurry.
Peace out. Peace out.
Good job.